Can I ask you something? How often do you wake up feeling truly rested, energized, and ready to take on the day? If you're like most people I work with, the answer is probably not often.
Whether it's trouble sleeping, low energy that drags you down by mid-afternoon, or even those nagging aches that make everything harder, these challenges aren't just frustrating. They can really hold you back from living the life you want. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. Over the last decade, I've helped countless men and women, just like you, find a natural way to feel better. And today, I want to share something that could help you finally sleep better, boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and even find relief from those everyday aches and pains. This isn't about quick fixes or masking symptoms. It's about giving your body the support it needs to restore itself naturally. And the best part? It's simple and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So let me ask you this. What would your life look like if you could wake up feeling refreshed every morning? If you had the energy to get through your day without crashing? If your mind felt clear and focused, and those aches didn't slow you down anymore? If that sounds like something you're ready for, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with the word restore. I'll personally send you all the details about this natural solution so you can start feeling better today. And while you're here, tag someone who deserves better sleep and more energy too. Let's take this step toward better health together. Remember, your health is worth it. Comment restore below to learn more.